With most of Creative Bloke's team based in the UK, we're going to have to wait to be able to reach a verdict through our own hands on review, but we've been poring over opinions from US, including from our sister site, Tom's Guide. Below is a succinct roundup of what people are saying to save you from having to read every review. Apple Vision Pro is available to order at apple.com in the US. There's no release date for the rest of the world yet. With most of Creative Bloke's team based in the UK, we're going to have to wait to be able to reach a verdict through our own hands on review. But we've been poring over opinions from US, including from our sister site, Tom's Guide. Below is a succinct roundup of what people are saying to save you from having to read every review. Apple Vision Pro is available to order at apple.com in the US. There's no release date for the rest of the world yet. Announced in June last year, the Apple Vision Pro is Apple's biggest new product launch in years. In fact, it's the company's first major new product line since Apple Watch. The aim is to go beyond the mixed reality offerings from the likes of Meta and Microsoft to introduce a new kind of computing device for both work and play with 3D cameras to capture video, hand and eye tracking, and a front display that simulates the wearer's eyes. Early reviews are largely positive, with many reporters describing it along the lines of the best headset I've ever used. The performance of the M2 and R1 processors, 4K OLED displays, the 3D spatial video, and the intuitive eye and face tracking control system have been singled out for praise. That said, some continue to question the $3,499, £2,760 price tag, and point out that to get the biggest benefits, you need to be well stocked in Apple products, ideally with a Mac and peripherals like the Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse. A number of apps and games are also lacking for the moment. Apple Vision Pro for entertainment. Several reviewers were blown away by the experience on the Vision Pro for entertainment, from film to apps. I used the NBA app, which was updated to work on the Vision Pro, to stream 4 games at once, with the main game in the middle and others pinned to the sides. It's wild, wrote Todd Hazelton at CNBC. Early reviews are largely positive, with many reporters describing it along the lines of the best headset I've ever used. The performance of the M2 and R1 processors, 4K OLED displays, the 3D spatial video, and the intuitive eye and face tracking control system have been singled out for praise. That said, some continue to question the $3,499, £2,760 price tag, and point out that to get the biggest benefits, you need to be well stocked in Apple products, ideally with a Mac and peripherals like the Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse. A number of apps and games are also lacking for the moment. Over at The Verge, Nilay Patel concluded that Apple was right to be so proud of the Vision Pro's displays, calling them a huge leap forward in display technology. He went on to say, they also look generally incredible, sharp enough to read text on without even thinking about it, bright enough to do justice to movies. Apple calibrates them for color at the factory, so they are also vibrant and color accurate without looking oversaturated or blown out.